My name is Hyde. I work for MLS Listings. I'm the VP of Product Management. I'm responsible for managing customer and subscriber portals as well as new product development. The training helped our product management and engineering team be much more productive. I would say that it increased by tenfold. It helped us to see things from a bigger picture, from a roadmap standpoint, down to what are we going to be doing in the next 2 weeks. It actually made us much more productive and much more predictable of when we could deliver solutions and fix problems for our subscribers. The online training was advantageous in that the person who took the class was able to do it from home and at work. So coming up to speed with launching a new product, their time was sliced up quite a bit. So they were able to integrate the training at home and from work and be able to finish it in a reasonable time period and still receive the certification. So from that standpoint, it worked out really well for her.